Welcome back to Houston Life. If you're looking for a great way to keep your kids entertained, Children's Museum Houston has all kinds of fun experiments your kids will love.
Yeah, it's a great spot in town. One of the experiments, by the way, it's all about ice cream. You're going to learn more about that in just a moment. But here with some of the activities your family can enjoy, Children's Museum VP of Public Relations, Henry Yao, along with Children's Museum science educator, Jennifer Munoz. Welcome back to Houston Life. It's great to see you both.
Thanks for having us.
During break, we're like, okay, just don't hurt us with these experiments, right?
They said it might explode, but it'll be okay.
It really did. It might explode, just step back. So during the summertime months, this is such a great time for people to visit the museum because kids are out of school, you want to have the learning continue, and while they're doing all of these hands-on fun activities at the museum, they are learning at the same time, right, Henry?
Absolutely. So we're celebrating our summer theme is actually called Summer Escape, which really, I mean, we're trying to escape the heat, we're trying to escape boredom, we're trying to like escape our parents. So it's a great time for kids to go to the museum, have fun, do all that stuff, but learn at the same time, so there's no learning loss.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
escape into imagination, absolutely.
And workshops. The workshops happen when? Every Friday during the summer?
Yes, so we have a chemistry series happening every Friday during the summer. It's called the BASF Kids Lab, and Jennifer is responsible for those labs, and kids learn all about science in those experiments.
It's so cool. You have the best job ever, Jennifer.
It is amazing.
Do experiments ever go totally wrong?
Sometimes they do, but that's part of science.
It's science.
Right? Yep.
It's just science. Okay, Liz, why don't you trade Jennifer places for now? There is ice cream coming up, which is perfect timing because Sunday is National Ice Cream Day. So this is something that you'll be doing at the museum. But in the meantime, Jennifer, you're going to show us one of your super fun experiments.
Yes, thank you for that. We're going to go ahead and gear up. So I'm going to go ahead and be showing you one of the labs that we do at BASF where we're finding out what's the reaction. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Ziploc bag.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go ahead and open this up.
What is that?
Here, this is calcium chloride. So this is something that we use as a drying agent in science. So we're going to go ahead and do 2 scoops. Here, I'll do mine first and then I'll go ahead and quickly hand that over to you.
And this is a tablespoon of calcium chloride.
This is 2 tablespoons total of calcium chloride.
Is it critical that we measure this exactly?
Yes, because you remember when we're scientists, we always want to make sure we are being accurate with our measurements. So that way we know like what to write down after our experiments.
Gotcha.
And we're going to go ahead and do 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Baking soda, okay. No problem. I'm going to just get these little bits right here.
Of course. Sorry.
Okay. It's all good. And there's another tablespoon then.
Yes, 2 tablespoons. So here, I'll let you go first.
Here, I'm gonna do the honors. I'm gonna scoop some for you as well.
Mine is set. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
1. And for the experiments at the museum, is this something that kids need to sign up for in advance, or can they just show up and participate?
Yeah, so they can show up. It's all of our experiments are included with general admission.
Okay.
All they have to do is just go to where we are having the workshop. They happen at 11 and 1 p.m. every Friday.
Okay.
And just be like, hey, I'm interested in this, and then we'll get you right in.
Great.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Now, this part has to happen super quickly. So once we give this kind of like a little agitation over here, you're going to go ahead and close about half of the bag.
Okay,
Just zip it up. And then at the count of 3, we're just gonna dump the Phenol Red. You got your cup right over there. We're using Phenol Red now.
Phenol Red?
Yes, which is a pH indicator. We're gonna go ahead and 1, 2, and 3. Dump it in there.
Dump it in and then seal it?
And then you're gonna seal it really quickly. Make sure there's no air escaping. And we're gonna shake it. Make sure you got all those chemicals in there.
Okay.
And then once you start to see that bag kind of like inflating, you're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a step back. I think you might have some air in there.
Oh man, you know what? It's actually really, really warm.
Yes.
The bag is really warm.
Yeah, so one of the cool things about this reaction is that it's an exothermic reaction, which means that instead of it trapping in heat, it's gonna release some heat.
I think we should step back.
Yeah, that one looks like it's ready to.
Okay, there she blows. Now, so you were explaining to me what's happening on a scientific level?
Yes, of course. So we made an exothermic reaction. So we're releasing heat. That's why when you felt it, it felt really, really hot.
Yeah.
We raised the temperature of the chemicals in there. And we made a chemical change. So all those little bubbles you see in there are actually carbon dioxide escaping into the bag. So that's why, since we closed the bag, we got a really, a lot of pressure in here. Yes,
I knew it was
that's
coming, but it still freaks me out. Okay, we're going to take a quick commercial break, and after the break, Jennifer, you and my sister Elizabeth are going to do something a little more wholesome. You're making ice cream. Don't go away. Houston Life will be right back. Okay, we're back with Jennifer Munoz and Henry Au from Children's Museum Houston. Okay, ice cream. This is one of the experiments kids can do this weekend.
Yes, it's
Ice cream for ice cream.
Yes,
Perfect.
it's going to be a workshop. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and dump half a cup of our creamer inside of our bag. Then we're going to close this, seal it nice and tight, and then we're going to put it inside our ice bag that has not just ice but also salt, because we want to make sure we lower the temperature so that we are not here, for the next hour, making some ice cream.
Okay, and this is just regular coffee creamer.
Yes, so it's just some coffee creamer and then some ice, and then we have some rock salt, and then we're gonna go ahead and shake, all right? All right, shake, shake, shake.
Wait, does this actually work?
Yes,
I think it's better if you dance. It goes faster if you dance.
Shake.
How long do you have to shake? Because this show is only so long.
For about like 20 more seconds, if
We
not
got
even
10
less.
seconds.
All right,
We're gonna
post We'll post the finished product on our website. We'll see y'all tomorrow.